customizing your kitchen, bathroom, or outdoor oasis with a luxurious feel takes a creative eye and a little help from a company that not only can provide those luxury appliances, but can also handle everything from making sure you're educated about the products you've selected to properly installing them. Today, we're taking a look at one of LA's premier home appliance retailers, Friedmans Home Experience.
My name's Long Trin, and I'm the Managing Director at Friedmans Home Experience. Friedmans has been around for almost 40 years now. We started out selling microwaves. We've transitioned since then to selling luxury appliances and bathroom fixtures, and we offer full service installation. Our goal is to have the right prices, the right selection, and provide professional installation. Our showroom is almost 20,000 square feet, where we have all the selection for the luxury appliances and plumbing fixtures, so customers really get a chance to see everything before they buy it. Our white glove experience doesn't just end in the showroom. We have professional installers that go to your house, do pre-site inspections to make sure that everything that you purchased is installed properly and functioning before we leave. Customer service is very important here at Friedmans. We send our staff to train at the factories to make sure that they know the features and give you the best knowledge so that you can make an informed decision on what you'd like to purchase.
Going from concept to creation, things can sometimes get lost in translation. How does Friedmans help to ensure the customer's vision is what actually becomes their reality?
My name is Maxwell Grossman. I am the store manager here at Friedmans Home Experience. The best thing about being in this industry is getting to help people design and create parts of their home where they spend the most time with their friends and family. It's often said that the kitchen is the heart of the home, so whether it's the kitchen, the bathroom, or outdoor area, it's always fun helping people get to create that dream house of theirs. Having knowledgeable salespeople make it easier for our customers. It helps take a lot of the guesswork away, and it's up to us to kind of help build that relationship with our clients and their trust and getting them exactly what they're looking for in their new home.
Finding the perfect indoor oven or outdoor appliance is one thing, but when it comes to installation, there are several things that need to be considered.
It's very important to have a professionally trained installer handle the installation of a new kitchen. Appliances can be very complicated, even compared to what they were 10 years ago. There's a lot of new things in the industry that require a special amount of detail throughout the installation process. Having installers that do this every day versus a contractor who may be looking at the manual for the first time, there's a big difference in quality of service and quality of work. Pre-site inspection ensures that the contractor has done all the prep work necessary to have a smooth installation, meaning all the cabinets and cutouts are correct, gas and water, electrical are all correct as well, and that helps our installation run smoothly upon install date. Some brands offer extended manufacturer warranty just because you use certified install. And the reason being is they know that the installation process was done correctly, and they will then stand by their product for additional years knowing that nothing was messed up upon install.
So what's next on the horizon for Friedmans Home Experience?
On top of your everyday customers walking through our doors, we often work with the best of builders, contractors, architects, and designers. We know that they are trade professionals in our industry and oftentimes some of the best, so we invite them to come work with us as we are some of the best in what we do.
The next step for Friedmans is actually moving towards Orange County, so we're looking to open a flagship location over there that's about 30,000 square feet, make some new homes and happiness in that area. So whether you're doing a kitchen remodel or a bathroom remodel, maybe you're redoing your outdoor section, I'd like to invite you down to Friedmans. Let our trained sales staff and our certified installation really make your shopping experience memorable.
To find out more about how Friedmans Home Experience can help you build your dream kitchen or bathroom, you can visit friedmanshomeexperience.com and, of course, designingspaces.tv.